guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So before starting the video, I would like to thank you all जो लोग मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं, because every time I'm refreshing my feed मुझे कुछ numbers increasing दिखते हैं and I am very thankful to all of you from the bottom of my heart, because I have been waiting for this moment so long कि मेरे subscribers increase हो, and since the time I have started like continue posting and all, I can definitely see a growth. If it's very small, I have no problem with that, because gradually I'm increasing and I'm very thankful and happy with the growth. So in today's video, as you all can read from the title of this video, कि I am going to share few of the tips and tricks जिसके through see gaining a weight and losing a weight is a very different thing. So कभी भी weight को gain करने में और weight को lose करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, और हम अगर उस टाइम को लें तो अप्रॉक्स 8 to 9 months लगते हैं, लाइक 8 to 12 months लगते हैं एक सर्टेन वेट को गेन करने में और एक सर्टेन वेट को लूज करने में. तो डेफिनेटली अब आप कोई भी स्टाइलिंग करने में उतना लंबा समय तो नहीं लोगे ना कि हाँ, और ये तो हम सभी कहते हैं कि मैं इस ड्रेस को पहनूंगी वंस आई लूज वेट, मैं इस टॉप को या मैं इस डेनिम को पहनूंगी वंस आई लूज वेट. तो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू ऑल, बी सिलेक्टिव एंड आप उन चीज़ों में अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करो जो आपकी बॉडी टाइप के लिए बनी है. सी इफ यू वांट टू फ्लॉन्ट योर चबीनेस, योर कर्व्स, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली ऑन यू. यू कैन एंड यू शुड डेफिनेटली डू दैट. बट अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत स्टाइलिंग, आपको थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस में लो फील होता है, बिकॉज समटाइम्स सी आई हैव अ वेरी फ्लॉथी हैंड्स, मतलब if you see my arms are very heavy as compared to the whole body, so I feel very insecure with the hand thing. But sometimes if I want to wear like sleeveless top, I wear it. If I know that I'm going to look little bulky, but still I do that. There are people जिनका chest area बहुत heavy होता है as compared to the whole body. Like I have my friend, her chest and stomach area is very bulgy as compared to her like legs and arms and everything. तो उनको उस हिसाब से there are few tips and tricks जिसको follow करके आप एक illusion create कर सकते हो. You can definitely create an illusion जिससे you will start looking in a different shape, क्योंकि वो आपका बॉडी का शेप है, बट क्लोथिंग का ऐसे स्टाइलिंग आप कर सकते हो जिससे यू विल गिव द इल्यूजन ऑफ अ लाइक स्लिमर इफेक्ट टू द ऑडियंस. तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दिस विल फिक्स द बॉडी शेप, बट डेफिनेटली योर इनसिक्योरिटीज, बिकॉज आप एक इल्यूजन तो क्रिएट कर ही रहे हो. सो या आज के वीडियो में वी आर टारगेटिंग द लार्जर साइज. जैसे जो डबल एक्सेल साइज होते हैं उनको किस टाइप की क्लोथिंग प्रेफर करनी चाहिए और किस टाइप की क्लोथिंग प्रेफर नहीं करनी चाहिए. अगेन आई एम सेइंग, if you are double XL, triple XL, 5XL, 6XL, that is completely fine. Just work out a little bit, be healthy, and उससे you will see कि आपका डेली रूटीन में भी आ जाएगा. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, मुझे थोड़ी सी शर्म करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स बीन so much time कि मैंने खुद ने वर्कआउट नहीं किया है, because I was really fat before. Not really fat, but I have always been a chubby kid. So now I have lost weight. So now I think I do not have to do anything, and still I'm not like very thin or slim. I am like size M to L between, but still I'm very happy, very okay with the shape of my body. It's just that कि I also should do something like regular activity. तो वो मैं करूँगी, ज़रूर करूँगी. But yeah, so let's start करते हैं. So for the first thing that we will talk about is the selection of the fabric. So if you are someone little bit a larger size, you और सिर्फ उनके लिए नहीं, this is for everyone. आपका जो सिलेक्शन ऑफ साइज होना चाहिए दैट इज़ वेरी सेलेक्टिव, बिकॉज आपको एक ऐसे सिलवेट्स पहनने चाहिए दैट ऐसे फैब्रिक्स पहनने चाहिए दैट फॉल on your body. It should not be like sticking to your body. And the one fabric, this is absolutely no from my list, is ribbed fabric. Recently I bought a cord set. I don't remember the brand, but the kind of quality I received is pathetic. Like it's literally pathetic. I would never ever suggest anyone, and there was no returning policy on the website. And then उसके बाद में मैं भी इतना busy रहती हूँ कि मैं खुद भी भूल गई. But the kind of ripped fabric I have got, and in general also ripped fabric में see there is a stretchiness going on in the fabric, so because of that reason it stuck to your body, like it takes a shape of each size and it just stuck to your body. Because of that reason you get a lot of like these love handles and all that. See, again, if you want to flaunt it, that is completely your choice, but if you do not want to flaunt it and you feel insecure in front of anyone, then you should never wear ripped fabric, because it creates an illusion of so many other tires to your stomach. Like if I'm wearing like रिप्ड फैब्रिक, मेरा ये जो चेस्ट एरिया है वो भी अलग से बिल्कुल फ्लॉन्ट होने लग जाएगा, मेरा स्टमक एरिया अलग से फ्लॉन्ट हो जाएगा, मेरा जो बेली बटन के नीचे का एरिया है वो और भी ज़्यादा लगने लगेगा. तो इट विल क्रिएट अ डिफरेंट इल्यूजन ऑफ अ टायरनेस. सो बिग नो टू द काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक. यू शुड नेवर फॉल फॉर सच काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक. You should definitely go for something very flowy, very easy breezy, like chiffon, georgette, satin. There are few cottony fabric as well, like modal cotton, modal satin. So if you will fall for such kind of a fabric, it will give a illusion of very like straight silhouette, so that is not going to stuck to your body and make you look fat. So be selective when you are doing the selection for your fabric. So yeah, this is the idea number 1. The second thing that I will tell you is the kind of print you wear. So I have seen people wearing horizontal lines and it creates a bigger body structure. It gives the illusion of having a wide area to your body. So whenever you are selecting a print, I know that is very subjective. Sometimes I also see right now I'm wearing a very diagonal lines. तो इस तरीके से हो सकता है कि हमने किसी एक्टर या एक्ट्रेसेस को देखा वेयरिंग सर्टेन प्रिंट और समथिंग एंड वी फॉल फॉर दैट, बट अंडरस्टैंड दे आर वेयरिंग इट, मे बी देयर बॉडी टाइप इज डिफरेंट, बट यू शुड नेवर फॉल फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ अ फैब्रिक, यू शुड एनी काइंड ऑफ अ प्रिंट, you should be very selective. And abhi I'm not telling you something very out of the box. There are so many other influencers and other like styling people always guide you with the kind of prints, with the kind of stripes you should wear. So when you wear vertical lines, the body gets elongated and looks beautiful with the print. It gives the structure of looking very thin. It creates a certain line to your body, and because of that reason the vision that I will see you, it looks very like slimmer, and it is not going to create a lot of space like this. Instead of that, this is going to make you look first of all tall, and secondly makes you look thin. So because of this reason, you should definitely go for vertical lines. You should never ever go for horizontal line. If you fall in between the shape and size of L to 4, 5, 8 XL size. So you should be very selective with the kind of prints you are wearing. The next I will suggest you, the next thing is you should avoid wearing very tight clothing. So see, when you wear very tight or fitted clothing, I know this is very personal choice. I also deal with the client who always say that I like very fitted garment. I do not wear something very sticky, very loose or something like that. But if you are falling into the XL size, you should change the kind of taste you have and switch your taste to the flowy and thoda easy breezy fabrics, easy breezy sweats. Because see, if you wear a very tight fitted body, like body hugging garments, it gives a lot of curves to your body. It just cuts that area and make it look very huge, bulgy, and you definitely don't want that. So see, if I am wearing the shorts and that short is very high waisted also, so it will look very like my bum area is going to look very tight, and it will look like a football to you. So definitely you don't want that. You want to avoid that kind of a thing. If you are wearing something like that, go for like A-line shorts, A-line silhouettes, little loose t-shirts. Like if you're wearing shirt also, there are shirts people wear like very tight and उसके उनके बीच में ऐसे holes आ जाते हैं. So just avoid that, because if you will wear such tight clothing, there will be some sort of gap you will see sometimes in the front area, sometimes on this area, the lot of bulginess. So just avoid that. If you are very much fond of wearing tight clothing, just try to shift towards the loose fitted flowy silhouettes instead of going on the fitted one. So if you will fall for flowy silhouettes, there are so many A-line dresses, there are so many kaftan tops and kaftan dresses you can go for palazzo pants instead of tight fitted pants, and go for A-line shorts, A-line skirts, A-line silhouettes. So obviously it will give a lot of illusion of flowing, of slimmer effect, instead of cutting your body into different parts and makes you look fat. So yeah, the fourth one that I will suggest you all is go for the empire cut silhouette. So see, I know there are people who definitely like different kind of a silhouette. Whenever you go for ball gown kind of a silhouette or go for other kind of a silhouette, it's good for occasion purpose, but on a regular basis also you should definitely go for empire line dresses. You should definitely go for like peplum tops. Like tops में भी ऐसे आते हैं कि यहाँ तक वो fitted होते हैं, then नीचे से वो peplum shape में होते हैं. So what it creates, it gives an illusion of like cutting this part into two pieces, and उसके बाद भी आपके tummy area को that hides. So I think if you have like tummy area that flaunts really well whenever you do clothing or something, wear peplum top with the trousers, use peplum top with the skirts, and peplum tops are best option whenever you are doing styling. You should always have a peplum top. And the next that I'm going to tell you all is see, when we gain weight, सबसे ज़्यादा जो लेडीज़ में फ्लॉन्ट होता है वो हमारे हिप का एरिया होता है. हमारी नीज भी जो है ना वो काफ़ी ऐसे हैवी सी लगने लगती है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीज़न आई वुड सजेस्ट यू ऑल. और हमारा जो थाई एरिया है ना, तो हमारा सेलुलाइट बिल्कुल ऐसे लगने लगता है कि हाँ मतलब इट लुक्स एक्सट्रीमली हैवी. तो हमारा देयर इज़ नॉट ओनली स्टमक एरिया दैट क्रिएट्स एन इल्यूजन ऑफ हैविंग अ वेरी bigger frame or something like that. The thighs and arms also get same amount of attention. So because of that reason I would suggest you all to avoid high thigh shorts or mini skirts. See, I do understand that there are so many people who just love wearing high thigh shorts and mini skirts, and if you are comfortable, again and again I'm saying, if you are comfortable, you do not give a fuck about anyone कि नहीं I wanna wear this, I am very much comfortable, then you should definitely wear. There is no one to tell you what to wear and what not to wear. So go for it. This video is for those kind of a people who do not feel confident. If I am the kind of a person who do not feel confident, so I will fall for such videos. I will see such kind of a videos. I will listen to the kind of styling techniques people are telling me. But if I am pretty confident, I don't care what people think. I'm like, no, see, I'm okay, I'm confident, I'm happy in what I'm wearing. And one of the most important thing, I am comfortable in wearing what I'm wearing. So you should not definitely change. But if you are not feeling comfortable, see, I am so not very comfortable in wearing high thigh. That is on my wish list. I want to wear high thigh shorts or mini skirt, but just because I have always been a chubby girl, my knees are not very like appropriate in the shape. I am very picky. See, I think every human being is a different. If I am picky and I do dress up as per my choice, so because of that reason I avoid wearing high thigh shorts. घर में तो we all wear whatever we want. बट अगर मुझे किसी के भी इन फ्रंट जाना है, आई वुड नेवर वेयर हाई थाई शॉर्ट्स और मिनी शॉर्ट्स. आई वुड रैदर चूज mid calf length, so that will cover my knee area and that is not going to look very lehenga choli kind of a thing, that is not going to look ethnic also. So that is the kind of very appropriate length that I love it. Like I just love wearing mid calf length dresses. I think that is the beautiful form of length that every person who is little conscious about the knees, about the thighs should go. It doesn't look ethnic, it doesn't look too traditional, and it looks modern, as well as it falls really well and makes the frame look very sheen, very like thin and very put together. So yeah, the next I would like to tell you all, and the last also, please avoid wearing low waist jeans and pants or skirts, even saris. Stop it, just stop wearing very low waist. Like when I will talk about the sari, first of all it looks extremely unmanageable, and I would not say, एक word मेरे मुंह में आ रहा है, but I will not say that word, but it doesn't look nice. First of all, if you wear very low waist saris. Secondly, if you are going to wear very low waist jeans, it doesn't look good. Trust me guys, it doesn't look good, first of all, and secondly, it is not comfortable as well. So whenever you are wearing pants, trousers or anything, go for high waisted denims. I was not getting a appropriate picture to show you all, but I know you got my point, what I'm trying to say. Please avoid wearing low waist jeans, skirt or any kind of a outfit, because whenever we wear low waist denims or anything like bottoms, हमारा जो बेली बटन के साथ का एरिया वो बिल्कुल ऐसे हो जाता है, एंड हमारी जो जीन्स है वो ऐसे हो जाती है, लाइक जो बॉटम है, एंड इट लुक्स पथेटिक, लाइक पथेटिक. आई डोंट थिंक उससे बुरी स्टाइलिंग कुछ भी हो सकती है, एंड आई वुड नेवर एवर सजेस्ट और वेयर. मे बी आने वाले टाइम पे देयर विल बी अ फैशन ऑफ वेयरिंग लो वेस्ट जीन्स, बिकॉज द फैशन रिपीट इट सेल्फ आफ्टर लाइक एवरी डिकेड्स. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल इन द फ्यूचर, बट अभी के लिए जितनी भी हमारी सेंसेस है, जितना हम लोगों ने सीखा है, जितना हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है, उसके बेसिस पे आई हैव शेयर्ड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज स्टाइलिंग टेक्निक्स विद यू ऑल. आई रियली होप कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है देन डू नॉट forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and help me, my family, YouTube family grow. And also I am running a giveaway in this month कि अगर मेरा 1000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाता है इस मंथ में, तो जो भी लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हैं, मुझे बताते हैं कि उन्होंने कितने लोगों के संग शेयर किया है एंड किस तरह से उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प किया है, आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग फ्यू टॉप्स, फ्री टॉप्स एंड ड्रेसेस टू देम. If you are a kurti person, we can also send kurti, because एक लड़की ने मुझे मैसेज किया था कि I really want to participate in the giveaway, but I do not wear such kind of a tops and dresses, so I will be providing kurtis as well. But please subscribe, and I really hope you enjoyed watching the complete video. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, do let me know कि आपको कैसा लगा ये स्टाइलिंग, एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो. इट विल रियली हेल्प मी टू नो कि क्या इनपुट है मेरी ऑडियंस का. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड या थैंक यू सो मच.